Hello friends, I am back again. Today I am going to tell you about a unique product by Kangaro Kanin India Limited. Till now, in medium size stapler, you have been using either HP 10 stapler, which uses the number 10 stapler pin, or HP 45 stapler, which uses 24/6 stapler pin or 26/6 stapler pin. But the Kangaro has mixed these two staplers to give you a unique dual HP 45 stapler, in which you can use the 10 number stapler pin and 24/6 stapler pin and 26/6 stapler pin, one by one. So you don't have to purchase two staplers, but one stapler and stapler pins number 10, number 24/6 and number 26/6. That's all. Instead of buying 5 different products, you have to buy just one stapler and 3 types of pins. You can use number 10 pin, 24/6 pin and 26/6 pin in this. With 45 mm throat and 20 to 30 pages stapling capacity, this is ideal stapler for all offices. Details of how to use it and load stapler pin is given on the back of the stapler. It comes in 275 MRP. So it costs less than the total combined MRP of HP 10 and HP 45. HP 10 comes in MRP of 185 rupees and HP 45 comes in MRP of 225. That is the total of 410. But now you save rupees 135 by buying dual HP 45 stapler. That's it for now. Thank you.